Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful makeup look done by Huda Beauty products only. Some of them are newly launched as well as some of them are old products. I have done a full face of makeup using this and I thought of reviewing it for you guys. So my first pick is the 4 filter concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes 2.7N. It's a neutral shade and it's beautiful on Indian skin, not drying as their foundation. It's pretty good, and because I have a dry skin type, extremely dry rather. So if it is working well on my skin, I am so sure it can work well on other skin types as well. It is a good product. It gives you ample coverage, and look at how easy it is to blend. It is going to give my face that instant lift. I'm not color correcting or anything today. I'm just blending it out with the beauty blender. So it's a buildable product, and I think it's doing pretty well, like great justice to my skin tone as well. I've just applied it to the high points of my face, and I'm just blending it in a dabbing motion. Okay, this is a little fast forward, but I am not blending that fast, guys. I'm rigorous with my skin. Let me show you the original clip when in what speed I blend basically. So this is the actual speed in which I blend, not what you are seeing right now. This is just a fast forwarded clip, and yeah, it is blended beautifully into my skin and it matches pretty well with my skin tone. I'm just going to take a little and cover my neck up as well. Now I'm going to take Pound Cake from Huda Beauty. It is their baking powder. It's a beautiful product, very smooth. I have been using this product since almost 3 months now. It glides onto your skin, not at all harsh. So it just sits so well on my skin, and there are no creases post this. So beautiful, an amazing product, and I think I am definitely going to repurchase this once I I'm over with this one. I have not met a better baking powder apart from this and another brand, Laura Mercier. I love Laura Mercier, and even I love Chanel's powder as well. But this one is my go-to. It's like my everyday powder. So yeah, next we are going to use the Huda Beauty liquid blush in Peach Sorbet. It's the blush filter. It's the new range that they've just launched. Look at how beautiful this color is. It is in Peach Sorbet, beautiful peachy tone, and I'm applying it in a W format. Looks very good, very easily blendable. This is a liquid formula, and you can see the amount of pigment it has. Just a little works a long way, and beautiful finish. I apply it on a day-to-day basis even without having like my concealer on. It's just like my everyday product, and it gives a beautiful flush toned effect to your skin, makes you look very fresh and dewy. So if you feel sleepy, if your face is looking sleepy basically, there's a great way to give your face that instant pink flushed glow, peach flushed glow. So now I'm just going to do the lips, and that will be about it for today's makeup. So I am using this Huda Beauty lip contour 2.0 in rich brown. This is my everyday lip contour, so you can check out even my Instagram for the same. I use brown tones like for my lip liner, mostly 99% of the time. 1% I do shift colors. So this rich brown is my go-to color, and now it has been my cult favorite since like almost a month, and I've been applying it every day almost. You can see how it has given my lips that perfect pout, and that now what I'm going to do is to define my lips better. I'm just going to blend the harsh lines of the lip liner with my finger, just lightly going to blend it inwards so that we have a very nice ombre toned lip color. And then I am just going to apply one more product and we will be done with the makeup. Let me show you guys. So you just take your ring finger, or any other finger and just blend it inwards. You blend the line inwards and it will give you that lipstick kind of effect. I have no other lip color or anything on my lips as of now. This is my natural lip tone. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty in Bombshell. This is a liquid lip color that I'm using. It's beautiful. Everybody knows how Bombshell is a fabulous nude shade. It just looks so good. And now I'm just giving it that little airbrushed effect by blending it further with my finger. What I'm going to do is I am going to apply a gloss on top of this. Look at how beautiful it has, a feathered kind of effect. I'm using the newly launched lip glosses at Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Glassy. It's a clear gloss. Look at that, guys. This is the most stunning gloss I've ever used. It's my favorite. It's the fuller lip gloss. It's recently launched again, and look at that finish. Look at that lift it has given to my face. I cannot, you know, comment enough on it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for Huda Beauty. I love all of these products. I don't have a bad review of them. So yeah, if you like more such videos and want to see more makeup content, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can definitely follow us on our other social medias. Much love. Bye.